Hi, I'm Chun Fang.
Hi everyone, I'm Nian Gui.
Hi, I am Zi Qin.
Hi, I'm Lim Ming Kang
And we are from
JOM. In the problem segment, we're given datasets of Malaysian ringgit bonds and sukuk from Bond Pricing Agency Malaysia and asked to predict the bond price for next month. The bonds we are covering range from AAA rating to AA3 rating and equivalent. Predicting the bond price allows an investor to see the trend of a particular bond in order to make a better decision. Furthermore, we are required to calculate bond return and volatility of the bonds and come up with top 5 bonds with highest bond return versus volatility ratio. Lastly, using the top 5 bonds, come up with an investment portfolio. A higher bond return means higher return of investment, and lower volatility results in better stability of a bond. Meet Robond, our solution to the problem by leveraging the automated machine learning capability in Microsoft Azure to predict the bond price. We use Next.js, a framework built on top of React.js, to build a web-based application for user interaction with data and prediction results. This is how different services in our project connect with one another. Now I want to take a little bit of time to talk about our machine learning approach. A relevant data set is more important than anything else in machine learning. We spend time to find out the dataset features and their relationship with the bond price. Then we pick the relevant factors suggested by domain experts and some information related to OPR movement, credit spread to be combined into one dataset. After that, we use the Azure tools to clean out the data in dataset based on rating. When it comes to machine learning, using Microsoft Azure Cloud Services, Robond leverages the automated machine learning service in Azure ML Studio to predict the bond price. We know there are infinite number of models to choose from, and that's where AutoML shines. After we split the data with a ratio 8:2, we can simply throw in 80% of data, and it will automatically train the model with numerous approaches and come up with the best model with short training time and greater accuracy, which is tested by 20% of the data. The best model will then be deployed using Azure Kubernetes Service, and our web app can interact with it through REST API by sending HTTP requests on it. The model will automatically train when a new dataset is uploaded by administrators of Robond to maintain its relevance. And with again Microsoft Azure, we can achieve this by using AutoML and pipelines to enable continuous retraining of a model based on updates to the training dataset. Now let us walk you through the web application built by Next.js. Next allows server-side rendering, and static site generation will prefetch all the next month predicted data in JSON format by calling Azure ML API endpoint. It will then handle data in server-side and render HTML, CSS, and React component to the client. Next has also improved the overall SEO friendliness and performance of the web app. By typing the URL address, the web application appears consists of 4 functional pages for user to interact with. The dashboard will display a portfolio of top 5 bonds recommended by Robond, with the consideration of next month bond price predicted by our machine learning model. Through the analytics page, there is a whole catalog of bonds in our datasets. Selecting one will reveal its details and relevant information. It even shows its historical bond price, which is vitally integral to see the trend of a bond. Administrator can upload a .csv dataset directly in the data page. The web application will call an API endpoint and trigger the constant retrain of the AI model. User can as well visualize the accuracy of the AI model by trying some input features on the robot page. Finally, in order to enhance the user experience, we have incorporated the light and dark theme for the user. We're still working hard to make the UI UX more appealing and enticing to our users by adding some animations to leverage the overall web experience. Now you may ask, do people really benefit from Robond? Well, let me tell you, in stock market, we always wanted to predict the future stock value so that we can keep it or sell it before it's no longer bringing us return. The same thing goes to bonds. Being always able to predict the future bond price, an investor is able to know in advance the bond price as early as a month before it's announced. So they could look for information of greatest bonds in next month. Wait, they don't even have to look for it. Robond has already a portfolio with the best 5 bonds in coming months to ease the investor in making decisions. Worry of outdated datasets? You could just upload a new dataset as long as it's from the same source and format, and Robond will retrain the model and bring you the latest calculations automatically. In conclusion, we are on a track in bringing Robond to life. Thank you for spending your time watching this video. We are certain that with the collective knowledge and endeavor of members of Team JOM, we will bring the best out of Robond. And we are more than eager to showcase our demonstration of Robond during the next stage.